CITYRAMA Budapest was founded in 1987 as an arm of CITYRAMA Vienna, whose Austrian owners recognized the great potential that lay in the Hungarian capital's untapped tourism market. Post-communism, CITYRAMA was one of the few established companies on the market to offer a wide range of services catering to the burgeoning interest in the Eastern Bloc. At a time when poor standards of service were the norm, CITYRAMA Budapest offered consumers secure and reliable reservations, unique tours, and excellent customer service. CITYRAMA's ownership and daily management was taken over in 2006 by two young Hungarian entrepreneurs. Although they continued to honor the tradition of excellence on which the company was founded by expanding tour offers, modernizing their fleet of cars, and developing strategic partnerships, the shift in management brought with it a new, innovative ideas. Currently, CITYRAMA Budapest offers daily guaranteed tours, including private tours for individuals as well as groups throughout Hungary. As one of the leading Hungarian tour operators still on the market after 25 years, CITYRAMA currently offers city tours in Budapest, half-day and full-day sightseeing tours throughout Hungary, private tours, guide services, transfers in Hungary to Vienna, Prague, and Bratislava or other cities upon request, hotel reservations for any establishment located within Hungary. In an attempt to give clients an authentic communist-era experience, in 2007, CITYRAMA added the Trabant City Tour using vintage Trabants, followed shortly by the Trabant transfers and the addition of a Trabant limousine to its growing fleet. In 2008, CITYRAMA started offering clients an environmentally friendly way of exploring the city with the introduction of its bike tours. Available 7 days a week, the city tour by bike is extremely popular. The same year, CITYRAMA acquired Ideal City Tour. They have continued to run the highly requested 4-hour-long tour catering to small groups in one language. The highlight of 2009 was the addition of the Imperial Vienna Tour, an all-day excursion that introduces the many sights and sounds of the Austrian capital to the client, while still offering sufficient free time for them to roam around on their own. In 2010, CITYRAMA introduced the Dicta Tour, which included a visit to Memento Park, an open-air museum dedicated to showcasing monuments and statues from Hungary's communist past. CITYRAMA expanded its fleet with the addition of 2 vintage Eastern German Barkas minibuses, new Mercedes, Ford, and Opel minibuses, as well as a Cabrio bus. Starting 2010, clients are able to request tandem bicycles, which have now been added to the bike tours, or rent a bicycle through the bike rental program. CITYRAMA has strengthened its presence in social media sites like Facebook and YouTube, where consumers can find company information, service offerings, event photos, and informational videos. 2012 is marked by the introduction of a new brochure highlighting all of CITYRAMA's private tours. These tours are tailored around the client's requirements and have proven to be extremely popular among many private and business groups. The growing staff receives ongoing customer service training and insider product service updates during regular team-building sessions and retreats in order to better assist our growing client base. CITYRAMA regularly exhibits and attends many of the world's notable tourism fairs, such as the WTM in London, the former ACTB in Vienna, the ITB in Berlin, Fitur in Madrid, as well as those in Cologne and Copenhagen. Starting 2013, CITYRAMA will be exhibiting at the Arabian travel market in Dubai in order to capitalize on the business potential of the Middle Eastern market. In the past 6 years, CITYRAMA turnover has doubled, while the staff has increased by 3-fold, and guest rates have continued to grow on a yearly basis. Surprisingly, this holds true even during the period between November and March, a time traditionally considered off-season in Europe. CITYRAMA passionately believes in providing the best value and exceptional quality service every time, all the time, whether our guests are traveling independently, in groups, or on business.